Well, good evening. So, this is one of those don't do as I do, but as I say videos. I have a MacBook Air that seems to be a ideal candidate for a SMT swap. Because I got it, and it's had work done to it before. SMC is missing edge bonding. Big microscope. Don't tell me I disconnected already. So I have this solder paste, which is not much of a paste anymore. It's interesting. I have maple syrup smelling solder paste that I thought was right here, but it's not right there. So you're gonna get the whole experience tonight. Let's start by mixing up some solder paste. You guys mix up your own solder paste, right? It's a joke. Okay, so we're gonna carve some solder paste out of this guy. There we go. So, can your solder paste dry too much? Yes. Your solder paste can dry too much. That is way overkill. I'm not going to need nearly that much, but it is what it is. Then let's take some flux. Oh, a little squirt in there. Let's go at it. You don't want chunks. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit more flux into that. Not much. Not much more. Not a lot of flux I'm doing here. Just enough to get it wet. I do like dry paste. Dry-ish paste. Okay, I'm gonna say that I have a fly on my finger. Go! That is thick solder paste. My goodness. I'll take it. Okay. Goop that on. Actually, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna spread it in a nice, even. There. Okay. Solder paste made. Not ideal. This board does not look much better. There's a little hole in it, in case you didn't notice. That happens if you use a false charger or fake chargers. And that's the story I'm going to stick with. So don't use fake chargers. Yeah, okay, that was a lie. That's because it's a recycled board and they have to destroy them at the recycling centers. Okay. Come on. Keep poking. Is this even like, you can kind of see what I'm doing here. Line that up somewhat. Let's go to a big microscope. Clickety quick. Okay. Thus starts the reballing. Looks 400. Do I have the right tip on my iron? I don't, but oh well. We're gonna make the board nice and hot around it first. That's weird, I thought I had my selfie on here. Ooh, I feel flux spoiling on my fingers. Good stuff. Come on off of there. Yeah, almost there. Starting to move a little. I think some of the edge bonding's holding on. Yep, okay, edge bonding now. A lot of edge bonding. And there's 2 pads missing. Are those 2 pads missing? If those are 2 fans missing, I'm not really sure where they're missing from. Or where they stuck to. Okay, let's paint it. Let's see what happens. Helps if you have a fume extractor turned on. So for this, I like to turn my iron way down to like 600. 550. We're gonna go 550. See if that works. Put some goop on that. Why 550? Because once I bubbled a SMC. And bubbling SMCs is not fun. Not in them. Yeah, okay. That might not be hot enough. Let's see what happens here. Yeah, probably fine. I'm gonna use the micro pencil for those. Let's see. Get all this non-leaded off. Okay, non-leaded is off. Light up. One's favorite Q-tips. It's a little blurry, isn't it? There we go. Ew, gooey. Move it down to here, maybe? Come on. Alright. Toothbrush. Much better. Okey-dokes. Official wipe. Where'd it go? Whoa. Okay. Should be nice and clean. Yeah, clean enough. Yeah, okay, those are just oxidized pads. What temp are you at? 700. Nope. I'll go down to 600 for the micro pencil. See this? You see this? Good. Get a little solder on my tip. There we go. There we go. There we go. Any others? Okay, that's it. This looks pretty ready for some balls. Really make sure. Make them all shiny. Why not? Huh? Doesn't take that much effort. Okay. I like that. Good. Bogan's in the house. My goodness, Bailey, how you doing? It's been a while, eh? Okay, now this is where things get interesting, I think. Q-tip. So, I've seen some other videos that turned out to be like disasters when it came to reballing SMCs. Some of you might know what videos I'm talking about. Actually, want this to get clean. Come on. Clean that. Best kind of dabbing there is. Okay. That looks pretty scratched up, doesn't it? Eee. Trust me though, it is very cosmetic. There is no actually gouging. Okay. where is my SMC stencil? Here you are. It's going grog. Okay. Line up the arrow. This is where I need to drink some more coffee to make sure my hands work right. Okay, that's aligned. That's where you want it. Where's my... Let's see if I get like censored for this. What? There we go. Okay. Drink some coffee here. Wife got this for me. Wonderful present. Today's the day I need the coffee. Okay. SMC. You guys ready for the magic? Make sure your SMC is nice and clean. Nothing sticking out. Set your hot air station now. The temperature that you prefer to use. I like 385. Don't know why. By 40-ish. Let's see if I completely mess this up. The last couple I've done have been no issues, but now that I'm on stream, I'm a little shaky because it's been such a long time. So, let's... Which one do I want? I want the skinny one. Ew. I should clean this. Ew. Alcohol. Whoa. Pull that right out. Stick that right back in there. Tighten that up good. Okay. Clean as a whistle. So. We're gonna see if big desk looks better here. It does. Okay. I think it's a little bit of everything. Great. Now this guy's gonna be here. Move that out of the way. Fly. I need a haircut. Okay, that's where I want that to be. Let's grab a nice little scoop of this stuff. Scoopy doop. Hold it down with your fingernails, and oh, this paste is a little too thick. There we go. See that? I'm gonna cheat. I'm just gonna put some pressure right there in the middle and try not to shake, because now I'm shaking all of a sudden. Grab my hot air and go. Are you on? You sure doesn't. Okay. I hope this isn't the, microscope. I'll be honest, this is making my finger very hot right now. Oh, balls, why are you jumping up? Get down there. What are you doing? What's going on here? That makes sense. My balls don't normally try to yeet themselves out. Settle down. Settle down. Those balls are moving around a lot. Did I not line up the stencil? I think the stencil moved. It shook a little. Let's see. I don't think any of those balls are like touching anything that they should be. F in chat. Well, that one's smushed. Come on, cool down. I'm holding it with my fingers. Oh, they're where they're supposed to be. Why were they dancing so much? Sheesh, a leash. Okay. Tighten up those balls, and you have one reballed SMC. What's the humidity in here? Jeez. I'm fogging up my scope. Big microscope. You should get a bent nozzle. I love bent nozzles. Not for kicks and giggles. Spring it off to here and clean it with my black guy. Didn't look like it was really lined up right how those walls were moving, but it was. Okay. What'd you guys say? How my balls look? Okay. They could use some flux and a little reflow. What is this little piece of junk doing in there? Oh, that's from an iPhone. I know exactly where that came from. Whoops. Thanks. You know, I am gonna... Actually, I'm not gonna reflow it. That's gonna reflow on the board. It'll be fine. Now we see what's really going on here. Okay. I think Brian wants to go to bed. It is midnight. Get preheat. Where's the tweezers I like? These are the ones that I like. Okay, SMC. Tux is upside down. We'll just remember that. It's upside down in this position. Okay, SMC off. That was nice and quick. You are not 550 anymore. 650 should be fine. Where is my solder wick? Here we go. Okay. I should really unplug this fan before I rip it off. And the TCN board. We'll plug that in after we're done. Okay. I don't need to break that. I don't need to clean that, I should say. Oh, there's a tip much more suited for this. I don't remember the name of it. All I need to do is switch it out, but I'm almost done, so I don't care. I think this is a technician. Oh, wow, look at those. Wasn't expecting that. We're gonna UV coat this guy a little. Huh. Good. It's like legit the first time I've seen something like that underneath of an SMC. Center pads could use a little bit more, but that I want to fix up some UV coating. And you know what? We are going to wick these guys in the middle just a little bit more. Okay. One more nice little clean. They didn't cut any lines when they were taking off the... Nope, good. Okay. So, you. Underfill. Squish, squish. Little tweezers. Whoopsie-daisy, that was way too much. Of course, that's why I put my hand on. Do about right there. Now we're gonna do try to. That's the right amount of it. Okay. Anything else? Nope, look like it. Ew, that looks really gross under UV light. Yep. I want more things for more of a setup, more toys and everything. Okay, here's another pro tip from me. A little dab of this stuff. Get yourself a Q-tip. Smudge it around. There you go. Try not to get any fibers in it. If you have trouble Q-tips, don't do this, but... There we go. BEA, beautiful. That's not much at all. SMC goes text upside down. You can see the arrow points to the right though, so we'll just do that. These tweezers need to be cleaned. Yeah, it was not. This shelf. This shelf. Yeah, my goodness, I absolutely love it. Did not cost $1,000. Did you use did you show them the schematics? What would you call it? The design that I laid out for it? You know, I really did enjoy that huge glass front, though. Like, other people seeing what I'm doing, perfectly fine with that. It was just like the legitimate, when I wanted to go to the bathroom, I had to ask like people to GTFO. Get out of my way at least. We're gonna say that. It's good right there. Because they were like blocking my walking path out of the door. They were legitimately sitting on the doorstep. Like, this is also a business. That's the business for them. This is my business. Just the swimming pool, all the greenery, all that was so beautiful. They ended up turning it into a parking lot. Gravel. Kind of got rid of the whole beautiful niceness, and then filled up with 5 bajillion people. It's not. Oh, it's not ideal for me. It wasn't. It was sad. But new opportunity in this great place. And I don't think we're gonna see this SMC really fall into place. I think it's like perfectly in place. So this will be interesting. Let's see what happens. Nope, not yet. Now, yeah, okay, now it's in place. Pump it. There we go. Stop. Okay, SMC on. That is how I do an SMC job. Look at those pretty bowls. Can't, they're all blurry, aren't they? Yeah. Okay, Apple logo. Okay. Well, you load into my operating system and make my job done.